By the end of this video, you'll learn the characteristics of AR on a browser. In this lesson, we'll be discussing developing AR for a browser, which in the AR world is more commonly referred to as web AR. An example of web AR is allowing users to preview an art piece on a wall in their home before they choose to purchase it right on the browser. So what about web AR makes it unique? In choosing to develop a web AR experience, you should know that its capability set is more restricted than a custom mobile app or social media. Even though web AR might not give you as much as social media, it doesn't mean it's a fixed experience. Web AR is extensible, meaning it is designed to allow for the addition of new capabilities and functionality. If needed, you can continue to develop on top of its baseline experience. You might not have to worry about third-party policies, depending on the platform provider and technologies you're using to support your build in the AR experience. What you will need to take into consideration is that your AR experience might not work on every device. But with that being said, it's safe to assume that anyone with a browser and camera with permissions granted to it will be able to use the experience. And there's no app to install. With web AR, you won't be bound by file size restrictions. This is good news because you can make an experience as rich as you want. This means you're not forced to get your experience as small as possible to have it delivered fast. You could run into an issue here. You want your experience as small as possible so users can access and download it. You will lose users if they have to sit and wait for your experience to download. Most people spend their time on the internet in an app. Because of this, web AR experiences can lack in discoverability. It will be more difficult to have users view and share your AR experience on the web rather than through an app. Web AR has higher tech constraints and supports fewer capabilities than an app, which can also limit the user experience.